Stefan, you good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. All right, so we made it. We finally freaking made it. Me and my buddies have been hiking for what seems like all day long. 10 miles through the freaking canyon and everything to come up to Havasu and the beautiful falls and everything here. And we have finally arrived. We set up camp not too long ago, got everything ready. Got my little water filtration system out here. And I just have to say, the energy in this place, without even seeing the falls, without even being to anywhere that's like one of the main attractions yet, the energy is just, oh my God. It feels so refreshing and pure and incredible, which is exactly what I need right now because my body is so sore and so tired from carrying all of our heavy gear, our packs and my camera gear and all that stuff, 10 miles all the way up through this canyon. But we finally made it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a couple of the falls and everything like that so you guys can see just how gorgeous this place is. Check this out real quick. Okay, so I'm on my way up to Havasu Falls to meet my buddies. They're already down there. A couple of them are swimming. Michael and Stefan are swimming, but they're crazy. It's freezing cold in the water right now. So I'm fine with just sitting and looking at how beautiful the view is from dry land. Sebastian is also chilling, watching from dry land because, quite frankly, I did hike all the way up here, and yes, a swim sounds refreshing, but again, I'm not trying to freeze my tush off. So this is the little trail down to Havasu Falls right here, and here it is. All right, so we are coming down on the falls right now. And oh my God, just to hear the running water after hiking for so long is so refreshing. That sound, it just gives you a burst of energy to be like, oh my God, I'm almost there. Man, just look at that. Holy crap. It's gorgeous. Just take a look at that.
Michael,
We're gonna go over here.
where you pointed?
Hurry up. Time to go exploring a little bit. Do some spelunking. Yeah, so there's a little place over there, and then also this neat little grotto right through here. Little babbling brook in there. I feel like it connects somehow. There's caves up at the top. The GoPro doesn't really have that good a range, but I'll get a shot and I'll crop in on it so you guys can see it. There's caves up at the top of those falls up there. They look like you can walk through them. So we're wondering, is there somehow that part of this connects? Oh my God, and listen how quiet it is in here. It's so quiet.
It is.
Wow. Man.
It's insane.
So quiet in this little grotto. Man. You see anything up there?
Hello.
Huh? Man. And then a little area down there too. Don't slip and fall. It's so peaceful and pure and just awesome. I feel like I'm gonna sleep like a baby in my little tent tonight. You can go in that cave over there too. Oh, you can go in here. Might be better suited for climbing without flip-flops, but hey. Oh yeah. Also, quick side note, if you're coming to Havasupai, don't vandalize this place, man. Keep it clean, keep it natural, keep it beautiful, just the way it's supposed to be. Don't come in here and mess it up and freaking paint on the rocks and all that stuff. It's just not necessary, man. Don't do that. I'm gonna film a little more when I get back to camp. Aha! Hands. Somebody sign me. I'm going to the league.
We have such a good weather because the last day was cold, right?
We did get really, really lucky
Really
with our weather. The forecast was originally supposed to be dropping down to freezing at nighttime and only going up to 55 degrees during the daytime. We lucked out and it got much warmer. So now we're headed back to enjoy some well-earned food at our camp. It's dinner time. We are having cooked canned Chef Boyardee spaghetti and meatballs. Each of us are using this little butane burner stove over here. As you can see, this is our gourmet kitchen for the next day or two. Chef Sebastian is over here. Oh.
Wait till you have your food ready.
We also made some friends with the neighbors over there. They were super, super cool. They gave us some flour tortillas with like a chicken and rice mix or something like that. It was like a burrito mix or something. It was really, really good. So we were pretty thankful for them. And yeah, we're just kind of getting to know our way around the campsite and know our other fellow campers and stuff. So we'll probably talk to a few more people, make a few more friends, and then maybe try and get some information about the hikes. So we got a little bit better idea of what we're doing tomorrow and what we can check out. But yeah, welcome to our humbler little abode. Also, let me give you a tour of the tent. This is, you know, our living room over here, or our bedroom actually. This is our bedroom. This is the living room right here, and then this is the, you know, this is the loft area right here. Yeah, we got a loft area.
And we have also a rooftop bar.
Yeah, we got a rooftop bar on the top. We've got a beautiful skylight right here in the front. You know, it's a beautiful, beautiful, you know, setup that we've got here, and we've got these annoying neighbors over here. They keep on trying to steal our food and stuff, but I think we'll do. I think we'll do.